Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are putting two of the most popular video conferencing tools head to head, which is Zoom versus GoToMeeting. But the question is, which one should you use? So let's begin. Let's start off with Zoom Meeting. It is a cloud-based video conferencing platform designed for virtual meetings, webinars, and online collaboration. It allows users to connect, communicate, and collaborate from anywhere in real time, making it a popular choice for businesses, education, and remote work environments. Now, one of the key features of Zoom meetings is the ability for the video and audio conferencing. But before that, you might want to check the plans and pricing, wherein you would notice that for workplace, they offer a free plan, which is a best way for you to gauge and test waters using this platform. The pro plan comes at $13.33. You can have all these perks and benefits for you, and the business plan comes at the $18.32, wherein you can have 10 users at minimum. If you go to the phone section, you would notice that it's a different options for you. US and Canada metered, $10. US and Canada unlimited, $15. Global select, we can use for $20 per month. And the business class, which is for $22.49. The events and webinars is at $79, wherein you can customize your plans. For Zoom sessions, it's $99 per month, and the Zoom events, which is at $149. The scheduler is also a different plan, wherein you can have all these plus the rooms, which is at this product. Now, if you want to test waters by creating your free account, just click this sign up button, and all you have to do is create your account using an Apple account, your Google, or Facebook. And then once you are successfully logged in, you see one of the key features again of Zoom meeting is the high quality video and audio for seamless virtual meetings. We have been using Zoom for quite some time now in our Deep Laughs YouTube channel. If we have like an update from our clients and from our boss, so we use this a lot. Now let me tell you that it supports large meetings with up to thousands of participants depending on the plan. Now, on the left side panel of your dashboard, you have all these options: the profile, the meetings, wherein if you want to create a meeting, you can join a meeting. You have all of these upcoming, previous, personal room, and meeting templates. All right, from these options, you can have a scheduled template for that. You have the webinars right here. But of course, you need to upgrade to a new plan: events and sessions, phones, and of course the personal contact. All right, but let's go to the schedule or host a meeting, because from here you can use three of the following. You can use with a video off, with a video on, and screen share only. All right, if you want to use the with a video off, for example, you're going to be forwarded here. You can use the Open Fathom, and it would require you to open the lunch meeting now. That's going to be a separate application for Zoom. If you click that, now it would forward and open another application. From here, it will enable you to join a meeting, team chat, all right? And of course, the scheduler. It is a newly third-party integration wherein it would help you a lot, allowing you to enhance your privacy or customization during meetings. All right, you have the whiteboard, allowing you to allow participants to maybe to ask questions, which the host can answer during or after the meeting. You have all these. All right, if you wanted to create a new whiteboard, just do that. And then the more section, you can use the clips, notes, mail, and apps. These apps are essentially here to help you integrate with other popular activity and collaboration tools. All right, you have the timer, music, virtual backgrounds, and group photos, which is a lot. All right, and when you go back to the homepage, all right, you have the new meeting. You can join, you can schedule, and of course you can share your screen. Now if you go over to our next contender, which is GoToMeeting, it is also a cloud-based video conferencing and online collaboration platform designed for virtual meetings, webinars, and remote work. if you wanted to know about the pricing, you might want to go to the Explore products right here. Click Explore products and click the See plans if you want to see their pricing, if this is going to be the video conferencing tool for you. The phone system is at $26. The Connect X is $34. Contact center is $80. Right? So you have all these. And of course, all you're going to do is you might want to click the sign in button. And you just have to follow the on-screen instructions. Now, once you have successfully created your account here on Goto, you should be able to receive a welcome email from the staff, and then it would forward you to the main dashboard, wherein you would notice that the key features of GoToMeeting is the high quality and audio for seamless communication in meetings, wherein you have the option to create an instant meeting. If you do that, it would forward you to another page. And this is going to be the Goto app. All they have to do is allow the Goto app to access all the audio, speakers, and web camera. If you want to edit the camera preview, you're also welcome to do that. You have all this option for you. Instant meeting. You can also have the option like Zoom meeting to switch to the desktop application. Or if you're not ready, just skip that. I'm just going to hover down here. You can join a meeting by putting in the meeting ID name, the upcoming rooms, and the past rooms that you have previously joined. All right. Now, if you wanted an instant meeting, just click the join option, and again, you would be forwarded to another pop-up window. Right. All I have to do is just allow the app to access all the cameras and microphones, so that you can basically join the meeting without any problem. All right. Now you can share your thoughts if you wanted right here, and the meeting scheduling allows you to schedule meetings with options for recurring sessions, and integrates well with apps like Google Calendar and Microsoft Outlook. Having said all of that, you know, we have been using Goto and Zoom Meeting for quite some time, and we believe that GoToMeeting is better suited for small to medium-sized meetings or teams, but can handle larger meetings as well. But of course, you choose GoToMeetings if your business prioritizes security, compliance, and professional webinars. All right. It also has strong integrations with the Microsoft 365, Salesforce, and more. And obviously, you choose Zoom Meeting if you wanted to have a platform that integrates well with a wide range of apps like Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, Slack, and of course, it's best for general meetings, webinars, and larger teams. But both are popular tools for virtual meetings, but they cater to different media needs and audiences, especially for your target audience and your budget. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.